besties, I'm Jen.
I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are totally opposites. Today is Allure.
Allure. All right, let's get right in.
I'm so excited about this box. I have no idea what's in it other than the choice item that I chose, which was blush.
Even look. Ooh, it was blush. Don't look.
I'm not.
Hide your eyes. Okay. Well, you already know about this one. This is the Rose Ink Cream Blush Refillable. It's refillable.
Oh.
Cheek and lip color. And what color did you pick?
We have
Foxglove.
Foxglove.
This retails for $32. So the box is $30 if you subscribe now. So this would pay for your box. It's cream, so it's got to be just it's settling.
It has a
X in it.
an X. I don't
marks the spot.
I don't know how I feel about it.
I think it's.
Do we touch it?
Yeah. It's
okay. All right.
You're excited to touch it. So
I want.
touch it.
Oh no.
What?
This is drier than the Sahara. This is definitely not. Feel this. Feel this right now and tell me.
That's hard as a rock. It's also not a color for Shannon. I'm all covered in.
I'm not using that on my cheeks.
Maybe as a lip. It says lip or cheek color.
It has to be. That's not going to blend out on my cheeks. that's going to stretch my elderly skin.
Yeah.
It's going to.
It might.
Okay.
Right.
Darn it.
Ooh,
That's disappointing. Ooh. Okay.
This is the Grown Alchemist Soothing Hand Cream, which is interesting to me. I didn't know they made a hand cream. Did you?
Yes. I've used this.
That retails for $32.
The only thing this can do wrong is smell like roses, because they do have rose scented hand cream and it doesn't say what it is.
It doesn't say in here either.
It has a little
It's a metal.
nippy.
Yeah. Nourishing aloe and grapeseed oil.
Oh, this is not offensive at all. This I actually enjoy that. I can't explain it.
Vanilla-y, but not sweet at all.
I can't explain what this is. It kind of like a vanilla. It's you know what it reminds me of? Is it reminds me of a dreamsicle, an orange dreamsicle, like the orangey vanilla.
Oh, maybe, but more grown up.
More grown up, yes. Like it's a souffle.
Kind of a little herbally, like you're.
I'm gonna like that. I'm excited.
Oh. Okay. This is the waxy scented hair removal cream in guava butter. So it's safe.
What is it?
It's hair removal cream.
Nair?
Yeah.
Mango Nair?
Pump the paste-like formula directly onto clean, dry skin and then rub into hair using your fingertips.
That's Nair. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It says it's safe for your face. I mean, you want to test it before you put it on your face, obviously.
Yeah. I'm scared to put it on my face.
So this is full size. It retails for $20.
Yay.
Interesting.
Yeah. Just in time for summer.
Spring, summer, yeah.
I think this is a great idea. It's something different.
Blossom Essentials Hydration Oil.
Sure.
Use the dropper to squeeze a dime-sized amount onto palms before gently dabbing onto freshly cleansed damp skin.
Okay, a simple
Is it for face or body?
plastic. It wants a couple
From head to
squirts.
toe.
Oh,
For perfect for daily use on face and body.
do you smell anything?
Maybe?
I know, I'm not sure either.
Marula and golden jojoba oils. Okay. Okay. So full size is 56. That's full size. Retails for $34. So far, everything's full size.
Yay.
Love that.
Love it.
I like a body oil.
I like a face oil.
So I would be happy to get that too.
Yeah, it would definitely go somewhere on this.
Mm-hmm. This is the True Skin Sculpted Lip Liner in Mulberry. For best results, hold the pencil at a slight angle instead of straight on while outlining and filling in. For solo or under your favorite gloss for added shine and touch of moisture.
Okay.
Full size retails for $26.
Oh, it looks dark enough for me too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it wasn't.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
It's a reddish brown. It's going to be
Absolutely
perfect.
a color.
Love it.
Use. Okay, here's the not full size things. And you're not going to be mad, dude. So this is the Skin Food Carrot Keratin Calming Water Pad. You get one. You can get 60 of them for $19.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and there's 2 pads in there.
Is it exfoliate?
This says you got 2 pads. Toner. It's a toner.
Oh, looks like scurry and kin scare.
Yeah. Scurrying.
Sorry.
Hydrating formula that soothes and plumps, like these pre-soaked cotton pads made with carrot root extract and glycerin. After cleansing, place sheets directly on the cheeks or forehead. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Snap a selfie and then pat in the excess.
Oh, that's cute. So
they're not swipey. They're like mask.
Okay. Love that. That's fun.
You can get them from Amazon.
Okay.
60 pads for $19.
I don't think that's bad at all. No way. Love.
This is Lumi deodorant with clinical strength sweat control. I think you got the flavor soft powder. Yep. This is a sample size one or a travel size one. A full size is $15.
I hear about Lumi all the time. I've never had any sort of I've never wanted to try it. But here we are.
Kind of along the lines of the native, like the natural, use it anywhere kind of deodorant.
Okay.
It does smell like powder.
It smells like
powder deodorant.
It smells like your baby's butt.
Yeah. Let me read the instructions to see if that's an all over body one before we tell you that. This says to use it at night. Applying the PM before bed when your body temperature is low ensures the formula has plenty of time to fully absorb long before you need it. If you prefer aluminum in your deodorant, this tiny tube is bound to become a gym, work, and night out bag staple. The solid stick glides easily onto underarms to prevent perspiration by plugging glands for up to 72 hours with a nostalgic powdery scent. Underarms.
Okay, so it is an antiperspirant, but not a deodorant.
Yeah.
I like both.
I know.
I mean, maybe I'll put it in my crevice somewhere and see if it smells fresh.
Oh, it smells like powder. So I know you got in under the thing, but if you paid $30 for this, I would be happy.
I am absolutely ecstatic.
Lots of full size things this month. Some fun things to try, like the body oil, the pads, the hair remover.
I love this
hand
box.
cream is nice.
What's wrong with it? I mean,
the blush thing isn't.
I was so excited about this.
I know. That's why you don't like it. You were too anticipation-y.
It betrayed me.
It betrayed you. This box was really good though.
Really good.
Allure doesn't fail.
Nope.
There's been a couple of months where we're like, it's not the best one, but it's still fine. There's not been a point where we've been disappointed.
No, we've never thought about canceling.
No.
Like, that's not even a thing.
Not even a thing. Yeah. Do you get Allure? If not, why not? I don't get Allure, but...
Did you get the blush? What color did you get? And do you like the texture?
Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring that ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.